Due to the size and speed of large vehicles, accidents involving trucks can be extremely destructive and devastating. Personal injury claims related to truck accidents have a lot of moving parts. It's important to have a legal team behind you in court that can help you get compensated for your injuries. We use the latest information, services, and technologies to defend you against insurance companies. And we give you power as a personal injury victim, helping you recover and turn your life around as quickly as possible. We look forward to working on your case.